So now we have fast Ethernet 1/1 we have fast Ethernet 1/1 and fast Ethernet 1/2 in VLAN 1 and fast Ethernet 1/3 and 1/4 in VLAN 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to PC1 and initiate a continuous ping towards PC2. Similarly, I'll go to PC3 and initiate a continuous ping from here to PC4. They both are working? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Within the VLAN, they are able to communicate. How about we look at the MAC address table? Okay, what do you observe? Do you observe anything?
Fast Ethernet 1/3 and 1/4 are on VLAN.
Right? They are on which?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Quickly, I'll show you. Interface, fast Ethernet, interface range 1/3. No switch port. Okay, no. Now what happened? Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me repeat so that you are clear. And we will allow the entries to be learnt again. Did you see? For some time, they timed out and then it got refreshed and came in here. Yes?
Yes.
So what did I do? Okay, now tell me, they one port 1 and 2 are in VLAN 1 and 3 and 4 are in VLAN 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what exactly is I am trying to extract from you. So see, this is timed out now on this right side. But when it starts resuming, then what we'll see all of them in the same LAN. Oh, VLAN. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So what can you infer from this when I'm issuing this command? No switch port access VLAN.
तो इसका मतलब कि वो दूसरा किसी वीलैन को एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते, जो डिफॉल्ट है उसी पे रहेंगे.
You are on the right direction, but I want a better answer. Anyone? Okay, I will tell you. Initially, all of the ports were in which VLAN?
सर डिफॉल्ट
Sir.
Which is
वीलैन 1.
perfect. And then we assigned port 1/3 and 1/4 to access VLAN 2, right? Yes or no? By saying
Yes, sir.
which
Yes,
port
sir.
access VLAN 2. That's how we did, right? How did we do it? Switch port access VLAN 2. And then they got moved into which VLAN? VLAN 2. Now to negate this, undo it. What did we do? We issued the command no switch port access VLAN. That means we are indirectly telling it you are no longer part of any other VLAN. You have to return to your default VLAN, and default VLAN is 1. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That's what the intent is. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go back. 1/3 and 4.
Yes, sir.
Interface range. Yes. This times out again. Let us allow it to come back. Right? It is back. So what do we expect here when I issue the command? What do you expect in the switch? Huh? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir.
Just hold video on VLAN 2.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Correct? So now,
Yes, sir.
how many physical LANs?
2.
Okay.
2.
How many broadcast domains?
2.
Think about it.
सर 3.
Yeah. 3. But why 3?
Suppose VLAN 1, VLAN 2 and another LAN.
Yes, sir.
VLAN 1 and VLAN 2.
Sir, because in the ESW1 switch we have two virtual
Kinjal, your voice is breaking big time.
LAN.
He cannot understand what you're talking. At least I cannot. So Miksha, can you understand what Kinjal is saying?
No, sir.
Kinjal, your voice is breaking big time. So not at all clear. Okay. So anyways, the point is in switch 1, there are two broadcast domains because we have created logical partition. Correct? There are two VLAN.
Yes.
One is the default VLAN and the other one is the non-default VLAN, VLAN number 2 that we have created. In switch number 2, it is the default VLAN, VLAN 1, right? Wonderful. How about this now? You go back and connect this. All right. How many physical LANs?
One.
Huh? Repeat that.
One.
One. Okay. How many broadcast domains?
Two.
Okay. Harsh, tell me what are the two broadcast domains?
VLAN 1 and VLAN 2.
Yeah. And the VLAN 1 exists where?
So for PC1 and PC2 and PC5 and PC6.
Right? So let's just
So
quickly
it exists on both the switches by default.
so let us see if it is indeed if they are up or not. I'm going to just check this show interface just to make sure that it is indeed up or not, right? 1/0 seems to be up. I'm going to check it on the Ethernet 2 also switch. Is up. I'm going to again from PC1 top it here and ping what? PC5. Success. Yes. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So let us run a continuous ping. Then from here, let's go and check switch one MAC table. Show MAC address table. Right? And switch to MAC table. Show MAC address table. Can you tell me what MAC address is? Whose MAC address is this? Any guesses? Huh? Anyone? See, I'll give you a clue. This is switch 2, and it is saying that it has learned this MAC address on fast Ethernet 1/0. Here.
So PC1.
Yes, it is PC1. How can you further verify? Look at the switch 1's MAC table. The same address has been learnt on which port? 1-1, right? And what is connected on 1-1? Here, PC1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now let's do one thing. Let's create a VLAN 2 here also. Shall we create a VLAN 2 here also? Switch 2.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. So VLAN database, VLAN 2. Exit. Configure terminal interface fast Ethernet 1/6, which is whose interface? This one. So PC6 we are putting it in VLAN 2. Now can PC5 ping PC6? Will it be able to ping PC6? Here's PC5.
No, sir.
PC1 it will ping. PC6 it cannot ping. Now so who all are in VLAN 2? Huh?
So PC3, PC4 and PC6.
Good answer. And who all are in on VLAN 1?
So PC1, PC2 and PC5.
Okay, good. So let's go back and ping. Check. From PC1, we can ping PC2 and we can ping PC5. Correct? And from
Yes.
PC3, we can ping PC4. Right? It is already doing that. But from PC3, we can, let's see if we can ping PC6 or not. We cannot. Any idea why we cannot?
So for the 1/0 is in VLAN 1
On which one? On which switch?
on both the switch.
Did everybody understand what Harsh just said? He's saying because fast Ethernet 1/0 on switch 1 is on default VLAN, VLAN 1, and similarly fast Ethernet 1/0 is on VLAN 1. That is why the inter-switch communication is happening. Okay. Did all of you understand what happened? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So how about this? We take another cable, connect here. Let us just say I'm going to take the port number 1/10 and connect the port number 1/10 here like this. And go to the switch, this one, configure terminal, interface fast Ethernet 1/10, no shutdown, switch port, mode access, switch port, access VLAN 2, right? And now go to similarly on switch this side, interface fast Ethernet 1/10, no shutdown, switch port, mode, access, switch port, access, VLAN 2. Now will they be able to communicate?
Yes, sir.
So let us try. Okay, before we do that, let me quickly check this again. This port is up or not. Good. Show interface fast Ethernet 1/10. Same issue. Down showing. Configure interface fast Ethernet 1/10. Shutdown. No shutdown. Let me bring it up. I don't know why it behaves like this in GNS3, but whatever. We can at least know how to troubleshoot and fix it. Interface, I'll just do shutdown and then do no shutdown. So interface, path Ethernet 1/10. So it's up now. So now, if I go to PC3 and ping PC6, let us see if it works or not. Working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why is it working now? Huh? Anyone? Okay. Who can tell me on switch 1, which port is on which VLAN?
Port 1/1 and 1/2 are VLAN 1, and 1/0 is also on VLAN 1.
Okay.
There is 1/3, 1/4, and 1/10 are on VLAN 2. And on switch 2, uh, port 1/0 and 1/5 on VLAN 1, and 1/10 and 1/6 on VLAN 2.
So now you get the clue why the
Yes, sir.
communication
Now
is happening.
there is a connection between VLAN 2 of switch 1 and switch 2.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask this question because we discussed this concept in the last class. So when the PC1 is sending a frame, does it know, does PC1 know that it is part of which VLAN?
No, sir.
So when
No,
it,
sir.
okay, and how about PC3? Does it know which VLAN it is part of?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
So when it is sending a frame, the switch is doing what? First step, checking the source address, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if it is in the MAC table, it moves to the next step, which is what? Check the destination address, correct?
Yes, sir.
And then if the destination address is not in the MAC table, what is it supposed to do?
It
Flood
will
it.
going to flood.
Flood the frame to all the ports of the same VLAN,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Previously, when we did not have the link fast Ethernet 1/10, it could not flood it, right? Because fast Ethernet 1/0 was not a part of VLAN 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But now since fast Ethernet 1/10 is part of VLAN 2, the frame gets flooded into this part, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me one thing. Okay, tell me one thing. If when the frame is coming out of this port, what is the VLAN for this? When the frame is coming out of this port, does it have a VLAN?
No, sir.
Yes, you're right. There's no concept of VLAN here. But the same frame, when it is entering this port, fast Ethernet 1/10, which VLAN is it becoming part of?
So 1/10.
Which VLAN is it becoming part of?
So VLAN 2.
Why?
VLAN.
Why? Because 1/10 is part of which VLAN?
VLAN 2.
Everybody is clear about this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, the concept that I am going to tell you, and if you are able to understand now the concept I'm going to tell you, then you are going to become a champion in VLANs. Okay, this is a key concept. Do you see what am I going to do? I am going to delete now So first of all, did you understand? So before I explain that concept, let me quickly tell you this again. When it enters the port, before it enters the port, does it have a VLAN? Before it enters the port.
No,
No, sir.
When it comes out of the port, does it have a VLAN?
no, sir.
So let's walk it again. From here,
Yes,
when it
sir.
is coming in here, before entering the port, no VLAN, correct?
Yes, sir.
Internally, it gets a VLAN, and then when it is going out of this port, no VLAN, correct?
Yes, sir.
When entering here, it gets a VLAN, correct?
Yes, sir.
And then when moving out, it does not have a VLAN, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now pay attention.
Sir.
What did I do? Delete. Delete. Got it? Let's do one thing now. Which port? Pay attention. Okay, what did I just do?
So switch one port fast Ethernet 1/0 and switch to fast Ethernet 1/10.
Okay, before we understand what we did, I am going to stop the pings and show you the magic. No longer can ping, right?
Yes, sir.
How about now? How come? 10.6 is part of VLAN 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10.1 is part of VLAN 1. How come? Anybody who answers this question will get a candy bar from my side.
So because when it leaves the port, it does not have any tag, but when it enters the port, it has. So when it is entering past Ethernet 1/10, it is getting a tag for VLAN 2.
What should I say?
PC1 is on VLAN 1.
Yeah, PC1 is on VLAN 1, but PC6 is on VLAN 2. So how are they able to communicate? Samiksha,
Yes, sir.
your answer is brilliant.
Sir, one add-on.
Harsh, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when the frames receive on switch 1, it it adds as a in frame that it is from port which is on LAN V1. Then it maybe if it is broadcast it all the connected V1, then it also goes from port
Broadcast?
1/0.
Broadcast? What did you say? Broadcast?
It is flooded.
Don't even say, never say broadcast. Switch never
Yes,
does the
sir.
broadcast.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
So if he floods the frame to all the connected VLAN 1, then it will also go from port 1/0, and when it receive an at to switch to at port 1/10, it again rewrite the uh, its VLAN as a 2, VLAN 2, because he doesn't care that is it comes from which VLAN. It's writes by its own when it reconfigure, and it's also forward or broadcast to the particular VLAN.
okay, perfect. So let me quickly tell you, summarize this. So when the PC frame is entering into PC1 in the switch 1, it gets assigned the VLAN 1. Switch, right? It will either forward it to the port or it will flood it, right? So it is flooding it and or forwarding it, and since when the frame goes out of here, it has no idea about which VLAN it is. Now here it enters, and as part of entering into this, it now gets VLAN 2. And then since PC6 is part of VLAN 2, it works. Right? Let us see. How about now?
Yes, sir.
What will happen now? Because of this. Because of this, what will happen? PC2, I'm sorry, PC3 is in which VLAN?
VLAN 2.
The VLAN 2.
Are you sure? When PC5 is in,
VLAN 1.
VLAN 1.
they are able to communicate. How is it possible? Not possible. Yeah? Am I? So tell me if I am right or wrong quickly.
It's possible.
Yeah, it is possible. You understand the logic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Concept is very important. Concept is the concept of VLAN
Yes, sir.
is local to that switch. Correct? Okay.
Yes.
Last thing for today. So instead of so in this case, if there were 4 VLANs in here, what? If there were what? 4 VLANs between these in the two switches. How many ports will have to connect for the connections to go through? Huh? How many VLANs and VLAN on the switch 1?
2.
2.
And for connection, for both the connections to go work between both the VLANs, we have to create how many links? 2 links,
The
right?
2. Yes, sir.
So if there were 4 VLANs, how many links we'll have to create?
4.
Okay. So let's do a better way now. And then we'll chop. So let us quickly go here and check the connectivity. From PC1, I should now be able to ping PC5, right? Because we have connected 1-0 to 1-0, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, so here's the change. Theory for this, most likely we'll cover in the next class, but I'll give you the quick intention about it, okay? Interface fast Ethernet 1/0. Switch port, mode, trunk. All right. Previously, what we used to have? Switch port, mode, access. But now we are doing it switch port, mode, trunk. Likewise on the switch 2 also. Okay. All right. So now we'll go ahead and repeat the test. From PC1, we'll start a ping. Okay. We'll have to check this again. Give it a second or so. Which one? Okay. You see, this is started coming in. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Show VLAN. Show MAC address table. Yes or no? So PC1 can communicate with PC5, right? Let's do the PC3 to PC6. Working.
Yes, sir.
So what's the difference now? Only one link. What is this? One link. But this is not an access link. This is a trunk link. What is it?
Trunk link.
And the trunk link can carry traffic for multiple VLANs. Okay. First thing is trunk link can carry traffic for multiple VLANs. Now here's the difference. Okay. In the access port, okay, access port will receive a Ethernet frame, which is the normal Ethernet frame. Understand? Okay, when the frame enters here, it was the access port. The frame entered and it had no
Yes, sir.
clue about which VLAN it was part of. And previously, when this link or the port was access port, the frame coming out of this was also going like without a VLAN. Understand? But now that we have converted this port into a trunk port, what is happening is when a Ethernet frame comes in here, it gets the VLAN 1 and it gets flooded to all the ports that are part of VLAN 1. So trunk port is part of all the VLANs. What is it? Trunk port is part of all the VLANs. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now, since trunk port is part of VLAN 1 also and VLAN 2, it gets flooded here also. Okay. Similarly, when PC3 sends something, trunk port is part of VLAN 2 also. That's why it takes this path also. Understand? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Meeting is about to end. I have 5 more minutes to discuss. So we will rejoin and then go to the next meeting. Finish that in 5 minutes and then conclude today's session.